Hey guys, I'm over at the Harrah's Cherokee Valley River Hotel and Casino, and I wanted to show you guys one of the king rooms. This one's the one in Murphy, North Carolina. This actually had like a really great closet space, and of course we see the luggage carrier, of course the safe, and had some drawers. So great if you're staying there more than a couple of days. I only did it overnight for this specific trip. But that is the king bed. Of course, still had the phone. Did have the plug. Plug was a little awkward being upside down, but we definitely made it work. I always travel with like an extension cord, splitters, and all that kind of fun stuff. Alarm clock, same kind of plugs on this side as well. Didn't have the best view. We actually looked at the back with some construction. I know they're doing some stuff inside with the restaurants. But we had desk, fridge, little coffee maker. Really just a good night stay if you can get this for a good price. Highly recommend checking it out. This is, of course, the smaller casino than Harrah's Cherokee in Cherokee, North Carolina. They're about an hour apart from each other. So if you have the capability to see both, it's worth seeing both. The shower was great pressure. The bath products in there were great as well. Definitely liked staying there, and definitely worth, like I said, getting a trip there if you are in the area. So yeah, this is Harrah's Valley River in Murphy, North Carolina.